Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the HomeDNA test kit. HomeDNA offers a diverse range of DNA testing options designed to meet individual needs, from ancestry and health to skincare and even pet DNA analysis. This targeted approach is perfect for those seeking specific insights without the overwhelming data of broader genetic testing services. I found this focus particularly helpful. Focusing first on ancestry, the HomeDNA kit provides a detailed regional breakdown, tracing your genetic origins with impressive precision. Features like migration pattern analysis and cross-population genetic relationships offer a fascinating glimpse into your family history. For health and wellness enthusiasts, HomeDNA offers tests that analyze your body's response to diet, fitness, and nutrients, enabling personalized lifestyle choices for optimal results. One unique offering is their skincare test, which examines how your genetics influence skin aging, sun sensitivity, and overall skin health. The test provides personalized recommendations for skincare products and routines. HomeDNA also caters to pet lovers with a dedicated dog DNA test, helping you uncover your furry friend's breed and unique genetic traits. The testing process itself is quite simple. After purchasing a kit, you collect a cheek swab sample and mail it back in the prepaid envelope. Results are generally available within a few weeks through their online platform. The reports are user-friendly and provide actionable recommendations for fitness, diet, skincare, or understanding your ancestry. In my experience, HomeDNA is ideal for those seeking specialized tests rather than a comprehensive, all-in-one approach. However, individuals looking for a deeper exploration of their ancestry or more advanced genetic health screenings might find broader options with other services. To sum up, HomeDNA provides reliable, focused insights tailored to your specific interests. Whether you're curious about your heritage, seeking to optimize your wellness routine, or simply eager to learn more about your pet, HomeDNA offers a targeted and accessible solution. For more information and to purchase a kit, check out the links provided in the description below.